Have you ever opened your computer to start your workday only to feel instantly panicked? If your digital workspace feels like a chaotic mess right now, please take a breath. That digital clutter is completely normal, and it's fine for now. But you don't need a fancy new tool or a complicated app to fix it. I'm Amy from Clutter Care. I help small business owners replace frustrating, expensive workarounds with seamless Google Workspace workflows they're already paying for. Today, we are looking at the 3 fastest ways to bring absolute peace and order to your Google Workspace using tools you already own. And make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to share a simple, single-click habit that will keep your browser clean for good. If you want to determine if your whole workspace is set up for success, grab the Safe or Spaghetti self-audit right now at the link in the description below. Let's ensure your workspace is set up to use simple, calming features. The first tool is Chrome Profiles. Use Chrome Profiles to keep your accounts separate. Create one Chrome profile for each of your accounts to keep your Gmail and Google Drives separate, not a tangled mess. This is the cleanest tool to keep your work, personal, and volunteer files and emails organized and separate. Tool number 2, Gmail Category Tabs. Use the promotion and social category tabs to sort out the junk mail and social media notifications from your important emails. That way, your primary inbox is only the emails to and from individuals, plus bills, invoices, and receipts. Without the distraction of junk mail and social media, your inbox will feel a lot lighter and more manageable. Tool number 3, Shared Drives. Create a few shared drives based on the departments or sections of your business operations, so you can stop sharing each file individually. For example, you can share your marketing shared drive with your social media and website contractors. That means they won't have access to any of your other business files, and they will automatically have access to all the marketing materials you put in that shared drive. Save yourself the hassle of sharing each file or folder individually. By simply setting up Chrome Profiles, Gmail's category tabs, and shared drives, you have officially reclaimed control of your Google Workspaces. And as promised, here is that simple tab clearing habit. In your Chrome settings, under the On Startup menu, select Open the New Tab page instead of Continue where you left off. This means every morning when you open Chrome, you will start with a completely clean slate instead of yesterday's open tabs distracting your focus. How would that feel? If you want to customize your Google Workspace so it runs beautifully for your specific business, but you don't want to go down a bunch of tech rabbit holes to do it, let's work together. You can book a clarity call with me using the link in the description below. We'll discuss your systems and make a plan to streamline them together. I look forward to helping you succeed.